Hello, it's going to be part of the test I did yesterday, which was September 1st. So it depends on where you're watching this video. So I'm using cheddar here. What I didn't do in the review yesterday, which was September 1st, right after I got the stuff back, that was just a taste to see what it tastes, smelled like, all that stuff, and did it pass that test. If it did, then I am going to do now, which is a heat test, so cooking or putting it in and melting it and see how the melt goes, because it's supposed to have all these great properties. The original press releases that came out and the press that reviewed it said it was amazing, but I wanted to try it for myself. So what I'm making here is a veggie burger. I'm using the cheddar cheese, so this is a slice of the new cheddar cheese. You can see it's beautiful. So on my burgers, this is what I like. I like portobello mushrooms. I do often put avocado. I'm not going to do that today, but I just have some sliced tomatoes. These are Roma tomatoes. I took the seeds out, so it's just the flesh. And then I've got some nice sliced up here portobello mushrooms. I love that on my burgers. And I'm going to put this on top of here, put it in this tray, and I'm going to put it in the toaster oven. I'm going to put a little green onion on too as well, and I've got some deli mustard. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get the melt part done and see what that looks like when it comes out. And then when that's ready to go, it probably won't take more than 3 minutes, but I'm just going to cut here, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I got to tell you, I got a big smile on my face because I tasted a little of the cheese off this. I pulled it out. I have a picture up here so you can see it. I set my toaster oven at 350, and this is 2 minutes. That's all it took. And it melted beautifully. It's got the same look of cheese that regular cheese looks like when you do that to it, put it in a toaster oven or toast it. And I didn't grill it with a lid over it or anything like that. I just used the toaster oven. It's just easier. So let's put this thing together and give it a taste. So I'll put a little bit of this mustard on. Not a lot. Oop. That got messy. Okay. Let's just spread that around on here. I don't put a ton of it on. Okay. Let's put some green onions. I love this. Scallions on here, or green onions, whatever you like to call them. Great. Okay. On the other side, we'll put the portobello mushrooms. I mean, it smells like a cheeseburger. And the tomatoes, put them on top of the mushrooms so they don't soak in too much into the bread. So that's ready to go. That's how I love my burgers. Okay, let's get this thing off of here. There. Oh, man. Just going to be beautiful. As you can see what it kind of looks like there. Ready to go. Let's close it up. Just like that. Okay. And looks like it's ready to eat. This is really about tasting the cheese and see if it holds up to everything in here, and I get the cheesy flavor that I like as a cheeseburger, veggie burger. So let's give it a bite. This is a game changer. I'm telling you, this is a game changer. The worst thing is giving up the cheese. I don't see how you're giving up anything. I'm FOODMAKER V, and remember, the best investment you'll ever make is an investment in your health. I'll see you next time.